To this, a sudden and surprise ending playing out in a Fulton County courtroom today.
A huge surprise today. It's going to end a murder case involving a nightclub security guard shot and killed back in 2022. So loved ones of Ty Ross said that they expected a jury selection and trial to begin today, but instead attorneys announced a last-second plea deal. 11 Alive's Joe Hinkey is live in the newsroom tonight. So Joe, you were actually in the courtroom, and what was the reaction to the plea deal?
Well, Ron, the family, including fiancé of Ty Ross, the victim in this case, they say they are thankful the plea deal spared them from sitting through a trial. But in court, Ross's mom called the defendant selfish for rejecting previous deals, keeping this case alive for so long, only to accept a deal at the very last second. For Aaliyah Strong, this is her last time walking out of the Fulton County Courthouse after nearly 3 years of waiting for justice for her fiancé, Ty Ross.
I am glad that I don't have to go through a trial. I was not prepared to see the video. I didn't want to see the evidence, but I was prepared to, if need be.
11 Alive's camera not allowed inside the courtroom today, where moments before a murder trial was expected to start, the state announced it reached a deal with Damon Wilson for the 2022 shooting of Ross, who was a security guard at the Encore Hookah Bar and Lounge on Lucky Street in downtown Atlanta. Prosecutors say Wilson started a fight over a $20 bottle of liquor, and moments after being escorted outside by Ross, Wilson pulled a gun and shot an unarmed Ross multiple times, killing him. Judge Belinda Edwards said she was, quote, very reluctantly accepting the plea deal reached between the state and defendant. The deal required Ross to enter a guilty plea to voluntary manslaughter instead of murder and felony murder.
There's really no winners. In the end of it, you think you're going to get some type of closure, you know, from the verdict, but nobody wins. There's someone who's going to prison. Ty obviously is gone.
The judge sentenced Wilson according to the terms reached between prosecutors and Wilson's attorney, ordering him to serve 20 years in prison for voluntary manslaughter, plus 5 years for possessing a gun during a felony. Strong, leaving court today relieved but aware. Wilson, who's only 24 years old, could one day walk out of prison.
I hope that maybe one day I get a chance to talk to him. Like, I just really want to know why. That's something I may never get the answer to.
And Ty Ross's mother appeared in court today over Zoom. She gave a statement. She said she is glad this case is now over, but no amount of time behind bars will, of course, replace her son. Prosecutors said the family was on board with this deal. They added that if this case had gone to trial, they had HD quality video surveillance of the fight as evidence and witness testimony to present to the jury. Faith?
Joe, thank you so much.